Hello everybody and welcome to another Thrillridesphotography Hello everybody and welcome to another Thrillridesphotography vlog, and we are here today at Alton Towers for day number 3. Yes, here we are again. It's getting tiring. We're not kind of used to doing this day in, day out again. I think lockdown's killed us off. So anyway, who am I with today? I am here again with Jake. Hello Jake. Yay! And Jake has been forced not to wear his Wickerman hoodie because it's dirty, so he's had to put another hoodie on today. So welcome Jake. And where are we going first? Wickerman. We are, yeah. Sometimes you just got to give in to the children. So yeah, and also I've got my brother with me. Hey! So the last time we was at Alton Towers together, we were probably children actually. So it's quite nice today. We've met up. So brother lives about an hour and a half away from here. So yeah, he's come and join me today, me and Jake, to get on some of the rides and experience some of the rides for the first time. So he hasn't been on Wickerman, so we get his thoughts on that once we get off. But yeah, looking forward to another day spending it here with my brother and my son. First stop for us is we're going to walk straight towards the Wickerman, wait for it to open, and I reckon if we kind of time it right, we'll probably be looking about a 40-minute wait. So here we go guys, first stop, Wickerman. There we go, a nice little ride there on the Wickerman. So we were at the front of the train this time. Yeah, really enjoyable ride in the rain it was as well. Jake, did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Yeah? You got your hands up nearly all the way around now, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Andy, your first time on a wooden coaster and first time on the Wickerman, how was it?
Yeah, it was, yeah. The first 15 seconds was absolutely brilliant. Lots of airtime, really, really good.
Yeah.
Stomach definitely in your mouth, some parts of it.
Yeah, definitely.
Really, really good, yeah. Really impressed it.
Awesome. It's great to finally get him on the Wickerman. So we are now, as you probably see from the background, on our way over to Nemesis. So, me and my brother were here for the opening, pretty much the opening kind of month of Nemesis in 1994, where we kind of hit the Thunder Looper, which would have been just here, and onto here. We waited 4 hours in the extended queue line that went all the way to the very, very top, just then for me to walk straight over because I was too nervous to go on it. So yeah, but then later on we went on it, which is really cool. So yeah, the plan is now is to ride it with my brother for the first time since, well, for years really. So yeah, that's the plan now, is to wait in the queue line. Jake's gonna anchor down and stay with us because he wants to walk round with us as well. So here we go, Nemesis. there we go, a nice little ride there on Nemesis, and I have to say it's the first time that I've been on that since last year, and it was so intense, it was brilliant. The speed that it holds all the way around, yes it is a wet day today, but yeah, it absolutely flew around the track, kind of come off slightly dizzy, which is cool. And it was quite nice as well to see the extended queue line open. So last year they had the kind of the top bit open, which I got so many photos from. But then this time they've actually got the whole top bit as well, so you actually see the train release from the actual lifter as well. So yeah, really good. Jake got to see the lift still, didn't you, Jake?
Yeah.
Yes, it was nice to see, wasn't it? Yeah. You actually joined the queue with us because you wanted to see the actual loop bit from the floor. Yeah, it's good, wasn't it? Andy, how was your ride on Nemesis?
Always brilliant, always brilliant. One of my favourite rides ever.
It is, isn't it?
It was so fast. Always best to ride it in the rain.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. I mean, we wasn't really at the back as well. We were like 2 rows from the back, and it still whipped round that track, flying round as well. So, absolutely brilliant. We're a bit unsure now what to do, so because it is raining really bad. We're under a tree slightly at the moment. I think we've kind of hit the rainy day policy today, to be fair, because it's rained constantly all the way through our day. But yeah, so we're going to go over to Mutiny Bay now, get some food over there, and carry on our day here at Alton Towers. So we've had to go there on the barrels again, didn't we, Jake? The spinning barrels.
Yeah.
We had a nice little kind of ride on there while it was raining. And now we've just been into Towers Trading to go and change over my hoodie, because unfortunately it was too small for me. And Jake's picked up a for real. How's your for real, Jake?
Good, and it's cookies and cream flavour.
It is indeed, yeah. So yeah, it's about £4.50 I think it is, and you kind of put it in the machine, it does some whisking up, and then yeah, it comes out like a milkshake. But yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Really nice?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's his lunch. Anything he could have had in the park today, and he wanted it for real, so there we go. Kids for you, eh? And we're just walking past now, Spinball Whizzer. But we're going to carry on heading towards Enterprise at the moment. Quite a kind of busy day on park, really. I wouldn't say busy, but the ride times are quite high. So you've got Smile on 85 minutes, Oblivion's on an hour, you know, and you've got Enterprise on 10 minutes, and then Spinball's on 45. So quite busy. I think the rain's probably affecting the rides probably a little more than they expected it to today. And it has been raining for over 2 hours, so hopefully the rainy day thing kicks in for the people that bought their tickets today. Right then, we're going to carry on round to Enterprise now and get on that. So Jake has got one step closer to Oblivion. He's not in a test seat anymore, he's actually in the station. How you feeling, Jake? Yeah? Are you ready for it? Yeah. You said a plop on your head. Okay, so we're waiting in the line for Oblivion. Advertised at 45 minutes. We've been in it for about 20. So yeah, going to have a nice quick ride on Oblivion. So yeah, Jake's just going to walk straight over the actual track itself. But yeah, it's been a long time since I've been on Oblivion, and I bet it's been a long time for you, isn't it?
Just a few years,
yeah. Jesus. So I remember not saying was in 1998, we had to wait 4 hours, did we, for this?
Yeah, about 4.5 hours, 4 hours.
4 hours, yeah. And Mum and Dad had to go and get us some McDonald's because we was actually waiting in the queue that long. So it just shows you how long ago it would have been before you went on this. So, but yeah, it's good, isn't it? Just looking forward to getting on it.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, front row, they just asked us what we want front row, and they're just doing the cleaning routine at the moment while we're waiting. So your next up for us is Oblivion. So there we go, a nice little ride there on Oblivion. Fantastic ride there in the rain as well. So we waited around about 30 minutes for the enhanced cleaning that they had to do and send the trains around the station. It's still an absolutely fantastic ride, and it does half get you your stomach going as you go down that drop when it finally releases. Andy, how was it?
Amazing as always.
It's good, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Good bit of fun there on Oblivion, wasn't it? So it's been a long time since you've been on that, isn't it?
Definitely. Wet track makes it a lot better again.
Yeah.
I still think it's a lot quicker.
Yeah, definitely.
The tracks are wet.
Yeah, really enjoyed it. It's just like, whoa, Jesus, that was quick.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, fantastic ride there. And then we went over to get something to eat at the Little Explorers in the CBeebies land, which is one of my favourite places to eat. And then we've just been into Sharkbait Reef while the rain's still going. And yeah, it's quite good in there. I have to say, well done to Megan and Natasha there for the enthusiasm, showing us some little bits around the actual aquarium there. to kind of something that we would have just walked straight past normally. So we're on our way now to the runaway mine train to get on that now, so it's a 20-minute wait. And yeah, so there isn't much more for us to do. We can't get on the Smiler because we've got the little one with us, even though he's happy to wait in line. Because it's an active station, they can't have him in there at all, even behind the gates, where you can on Nemesis and Oblivion. You can take them around the actual queue line themselves, and they can just stand behind the gate until further notice, until you come off. But unfortunately on there you can't, so a bit of a shame. So they don't do the parent swap at the moment, and they don't do fast track, so there's no way of really getting on the ride when you have got a lit one at the moment, well, the Smiler anyway. So just keep that in mind as you are coming around the park today. There we go, we've taken our last ride there on the runaway mine train, and yeah, it was a bit of a soaker, but the rain was going really bad at that point, and then obviously they keep you on the ride to make sure that there's not a clog up at the exit as you get off. Yeah, but it's been a very wet day, very cold day here today at Alton Towers, but it does end our 3-day visit here, and now we're on our way up now to Blackpool for Blackpool Pleasure Beach for tomorrow. But yeah, Jake, have you enjoyed your time here?
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it?
Yeah.
You got your poncho because you got a bit cold, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Favourite ride?
Because everyone has an Alton Towers, but your mine is just
A blank one? Yeah.
weird.
Oh well. Favourite ride?
I'm going to say it's Staffordshire the Wicker Man now.
Yeah, you enjoyed it, yeah?
Yeah.
Brilliant. I'm glad you enjoyed your little trip. Andy, have you enjoyed your day?
Definitely, yeah. I know it's been raining, still got a good day. Still got on a few rides.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, got on Oblivion, and Nemesis and that as well.
Not too busy, but Nemesis definitely a standout one again, as per usual.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, same for me really. It was an absolutely fantastic ride there on Nemesis. Really enjoyed it. I'm hoping that like the park action there, rainy day policy, because my brother's actually paid for a full day to come today. So I'm really hoping that they do kind of operate that with the rain has constantly gone all day today. But that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, the third one from Alton Towers. And yeah, that is it. Speak to you all soon, and I'll catch your ass down the road.